Hey, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to start a new series which is called Scilab. So we are going to learn about basic fundamentals, how Scilab works, and all the scientific and computational methods that you can integrate with Scilab. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, let me check if my audio is working. It's working just fine, and let me share my screen. So my screen is visible, and I'm quickly jumping into my favorite browser, and then I have to type here. So basically in this video we are going to learn about how Scilab is being installed into your Windows and how you can use it. So you just have to go to Google and then just type here Scilab. Wait, Scilab. Okay, so here the first page, you have to right click here, open in a new tab, look for the specific version that you are going to use. So in my case I'm going to start my course with Scilab 6.0.2. so I have to click here, and then you can see here my the setup files are there for Windows and then Linux and then Mac. So we are currently operating on Windows, so we'll be selecting this one. So according to your OS type, you can select whether your OS is a 64-bit machine or it is dependable upon a 32-bit. So you can choose. My machine is 64-bit, so you have to click here, and then the download will start. In my case I have already downloaded the file, so I'll just pause it here and cancel it. So after your download is being completed, you can hover into your download folder. Just wait, I'll go through the command prompt. You don't have to go to the command prompt, you can just simply go to your downloads folder. Just wait a second. Yes, so I'm running through my command prompt because my hardware resources are limited, so I have to do like this. So cd downloads, and then let's check if it is there or not. As you can see, my Scilab is there. So I'll just here is the setup file. So I'll just type here sci and then tab. It will automatically detect the name of the setup file, and then press enter. So it will run the Scilab file for me. You have to give your administrative privileges, so yes, and then it will choose. You have to choose the language. My default language is English, so I'll roll with it, and then next I accept the agreement, and then the default directory in which the Scilab will get saved, next, and then you don't have to mess with all these things. You just click on next, then next, and then next, and then install. So it will install Scilab for you. You don't have to do anything, so it's pretty easy. Let me close my command prompt, and it will take a couple of minutes. Till then you can skip the video. I'll edit this part, so you don't have to worry. So this will do all the job, and Scilab will be installed for you. So this is a pretty simple installation technique. So here you can see my installation has been completed. So this will this will be your screen when your installation gets completed, the Scilab installation. So you can uncheck this launch Scilab because we don't want to launch Scilab now, and then you can click on the desktop icon that you have. So this icon will get saved automatically in your desktop. You just have to double click on it, and then it will launch Scilab for you. Okay, you just have to be a little more patient, and then yes, it will launch Scilab for me. The version I'm using is 6.0.2. In order to catch up with me, or in order to be in a sync, you can also download the 6.0.2. I'm not using the latest version, which is 6.1, I think. Yes, so Scilab has been installed. Here is the screen, as you can see. So yes, that's it, guys, and in my next video I'll give you an overview of Scilab, and then continue with the rest of the part. So till then, take care, bye.